Okay, folks, I am trying to do a video for informative purposes. I've seen one similar to this on Facebook. This is a 2007 Chevy Trailblazer. I just bought it, and it has a whine in it like a power steering pump. But after extensive work on it from other people who had it before I did, we still have the whine. And I don't know why the mechanics who were supposed to be professionals couldn't understand that the power steering pump is over here and the whine was over here. And I've determined it is the idler pulley, a $13 fix. The people who had it before I got it couldn't figure it out. They put a whole new bracket pinion under it, new hoses, new power steering pump on it and everything. So I am going to do a little demonstration on the noise it makes. Now, if it was a power steering pump, it would turn, the whine would increase when you turn the wheel. Now we'll start it here. So I'm turning the wheel, and the whine, I don't know if this is picking it up, does not increase. It stays the same. Now, if you give it the gas, it increases. So it tells me it's a bearing. You can hear this whine. That is the noise it's making, and I've determined it to be the idler pulley bearing. So what we have to do here, right down under the power steering, or not the power steering, but the alternator, there's a pulley right there. And I got a cell phone, so it's probably not. But that's the culprit right there. Okay, so the procedure taking that off is first to loosen the little nut right there in front of it. And then we come over here to the idler pulley, and we put a wrench in there and pry down on it. I'm going to leave the belt in place as is, but we do want to take note of how it is on the vehicle, so that way if it comes off, we'll know how to put it back on. So, and it also has a schematic somewhere, or it usually does, but I have took note on how it goes, so we'll be careful with that. But I'm just going to pull this one off. It's one bolt. You unscrew and take that bolt loose, loosen the belt, pull that off, put the other one back on, tighten that right back up. So hopefully it won't take more than 15 or 20 minutes to do this. But right now I got to use the bathroom, so I'll be back and we'll start another video and we'll see how it goes.